Hey you guys, we're back. It's your Chef Martin Reyes, and today we are going to be showing you how to make a simple and easy dinner for your loved ones at home. We are going to be making a spaghetti dinner. So today we have some portobello mushrooms and some bell peppers. So let's get into this, guys. You guys could cut these any way you like at home. Doesn't matter really, your choice. So just keep going here. So we're gonna make simple cuts, guys. Like I said, you could do this any way you want at home. I'm just doing it my way right now. I'm gonna make little cute cuts. There we go. Alright you guys, I just put the noodles in and I want to add some pink Himalayan salt to it. So that way it helps it not stick. Put the lid back on. I got my heat between medium and medium high. Cooking time should be between 15 and 20 minutes max. Now I'm going to put my ground turkey in. Let's get the pan ready. I got my temperature set between medium and medium high. So this is crucial to cooking this. You don't want any raw meat at home, guys. Okay? And what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a splash in there to help it cook a little bit better. Alright, stay with me, guys. I'm going to break this down. Watch this beautiful meat cook. There we go. Cooking time roughly about 20 to 25 minutes. It shouldn't take no longer than that. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna do, well now I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder because it's my personal preference. If you guys got something else at home where you'd like to put garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, that's your choice. Just to flavor it up a little. There we go. And pepper. Like I said, it's your own personal preference of what you guys like doing at home, or if mom taught you another way, go with it. There we go. Meat's browning real nice, guys. So if you guys do anything differently at home, please let me know down in the comments. I would like to hear from you guys. I like to hear basically what type of spaghetti dinners or what you guys do differently at home to give it that extra taste for your family. So with that being said, join me back in a couple minutes for our plating and our end result. So I'll see you guys 20 minutes or so. Alright guys, our meat's cooked, and what I'm going to do right now is add our baby mushrooms in so they could saute in there and cook those up for a couple of minutes while they get soft. And I wanted to show you guys what I like to do for my spaghetti. This is clamato juice. This is going to add a zing to it that will make your mouth water. So this is my special sauce, you would say. Okay. I'm just going to add maybe like a half a cup, or depends on how much you guys want to put in at home. Either way, it's still good. Go. A little there, a little there. Little there. Perfect. Alrighty, we're gonna give this we're gonna give our food a turn here. Look at that. Beautiful. Cooking nicely. Nice and cooked, you guys. Beautiful. And like I said, you guys can do it any way you want at home, but this is my special blend of spices and mushrooms and clamato juice. So we're gonna give it about 5 more minutes and we should be done here. So now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add some Prego sauce into it to top it off. Okay, there we go. There we go. Give it a couple mix them, make sure you mix the meat and your portobello baby mushrooms in there. And we should be done. So join us shortly in a couple minutes here, and I will have a plating for you guys. So we'll see you in a couple minutes. Alright you guys, once again, it's your chef Martin Reyes, and this is our end result. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you guys like what you see. As always, smash that like button. If you don't like what you see, hit the dislike button. Either way, I look forward to seeing you guys down in the comments with positive feedback. This is our end result, guys. Take a look.